You know what this remind me of? We talk about big breasts. When we go down on Negril and we have my house down there. Like a house, me rent full up of furniture and sitting down there by a Negril. I remember me go down upon vacation and my boyfriend him did down there. So him did the house and everything and he hired this woman for wash clothes and clean the house. And so me come down now and fi come meet the woman. And the first me I know the woman. So the woman come the following day, you know, and me did it. While the woman said, good afternoon. I said, good afternoon, ma'am, how you doing? And I say hello to the woman, talk nice. The woman said she come because she work here and she come to come wash the clothes. I said, nice to meet you. And I put out the soap and everything. You know, the goes out the door from the big tank for she wash the clothes and everything. So when the woman out there wash the clothes, now I realize to myself, say, but wait. Every minute she call the man for come outside. We want to change the man name because nobody know his real name. So make we call him Devon. The woman start calling, Devon. Every minute, the woman call out, the fix the house see me. She bend down with her crutch, she walk me in one like a piece of sinting. She call the man, fix the house. So she call the man, so. So anyway, I come on now, I see Ghana kitchen now, so I head into my kitchen. Because I see me a foreigner, you know. I have everything packed up in my house, and I have the little car there and sinting. In Ghana kitchen now, we go prepare the woman something to eat. I see him take out a big bun, I saw him chunk off the bun. And him pick the big piece of cheese for go get the woman. I watch the food and it's a whole plate. We could have feed 3-4 smarty. I say, good God, the woman going eat so much bun and cheese. As so much food, this woman come to come wash yam. When she done yam to ras, and I say my PR. Anyway, I think that's what they in the store. The woman said, she'll come if you come cool off. The woman come inside the living room, I tell her in the bedroom there. And me hear her talking and when me go out. When me go out the terrace and look. Him come and serve the woman the bread, the bun and cheese and the juice. The woman put it on the little table in the living room and cock up on my couch. On my satellite dish on my big flat screen TV, you know. Cool and easy. She just take off her brassiere and call my boyfriend and say, look, come take this put her son, give me dry boy. Give me dry boy. So he come and take the brassiere from the woman and the woman sit down there without no brassiere and this big old breast. Breast like it look like it full of milk. I saw the woman sit down on my couch. When me see the woman to rascal at me, I didn't get big, you know. Me couldn't believe what me really see, you know. Me couldn't come like say me lick me head to ras, you know. When me look and see the big old breast them what the woman have, you know. Jamaica woman have big woman. Look like she could almost be me mama. I look like that woman and the boy I fuck, you know. When me know the day, you know. Woman come about she a clean and a wash the place. Me say when you look on the big old breast of the woman let them down, she just cock up on the couch, relax. No brassiere, no blouse, nothing on. So me say, good God have mercy. Me say, no. Me say, lady, you can't do that in here. You cannot do that. Me have a little 11-year-old son. You cannot do that here, ma'am. Me say, ma'am, this is disrespect to me. This is really big disrespect to me. So when you leave here this evening, don't come back. Me say, the woman catch a piece of attitude, you see. And when she done wash and she left, she laugh, she walk all the way to the road and she look for leave now. She told Devon, come here. She called me out of the house. Bring some lotion, come give me. When he carry the lotion, go give her and rub my foot now for me and see my foot then white. And in bend down and rub the woman foot, this dry up woman looking like she looks so tough and whole. Look like them tough old yard food where you have in a yard and yam shit and pick mango all kind of bush. Where you don't even want to cook, you know, so when you cook the flesh, it tough, you know, when it comes off. At that, the woman, the boy have when my grind. Leg or big old fucking breast, them look like when cow breast full of milk. Yeah, my 11-year-old son I walk on my place. Me fire ass and son I come back me. You think I easy same thing me go through? You think I easy same thing me go through with them and they really disappoint me to ras, me tell you. You have one next one of them me come America, me meet me say live a Long Island. Say my church man and I'm the pastor and I'm in a church. I'm a musician and my pastor. And him was another one, you know. And me and him used to talk, you know. And the boy get into him and make me like him, you know. And he was Kevin McCoy. Yeah, me I call out his name in America. Kevin McCoy. And he live a Long Island there. Yeah, man. And me said the boy was very disrespectful and rude. And me there Long Island and came because spend the weekend over in place and left me there and I come back. Me alone there in yard for the whole entire weekend, don't know where the boy did. When he come, the boy I tell me saying falling asleep. For a weekend he fall asleep and wake up in a church and trim the music he never get to come home. He couldn't get for call. and all kind of fuck. Let me tell him something I go leave me, I don't want nothing to do. The boy start to fight me. Me and the boy catch a fight, me tell him long I didn't want business. The boy shove me down to Ross and taking socks and I try stuffing socks on my throat. But if I draw down the lamp off of the thing and draw me drop on the head shine and try fight me. Me tell you. And police come after that, you know. That was something else the boy there, you know. Cause a lot of problem, you know. And when he come back, I come go on like him a bad man and I come threaten me. I go a Long Island for him. Yeah, me reach all the way down a Long Island for him and he wouldn't come out of the house. And he wouldn't come out of the house. And he turn inside the house and he would come out and I bust him 4 times and slash them ass. And walk up him 4 and make him car drop down, whoops on the ground. And me just left and go away. Yeah man, long time ago. When me about 18 or so. Yeah. Then me not have no time with them. Me have all the students for all them motherfuckers. Me know the street. And me know how the street run. And me know some people with drugs, or people with killer, with all kind of thing. When they're on the street, a lot of things happen. Me go to Connecticut from friend talk about so we go one club, go dance. I end up in a Connecticut. And I tell her say, we up there, I say, boy, we like to get some weed for smoke. I go smoke some weed. And my friend inside, I say, alright. My next guy come and one other friend. Not no we from Brooklyn, but know the other girl, and we friend of the girl. And he said, alright, I must tell you some weed. And he said, this big bag of weed or whatever. And I tell him, I'm going to smoke some of the weed. No, man, I'm run out the door. I say, and you know, in a Newport, New Britain, or it's in a Connecticut, you know, and I wake at the police, and I just pour outside the club. So, you know, if you turn up out there and smoke, so I go behind the club. Because behind the club is like Pierre Bush, but the bush, them driving on summertime. You can go right back down there and sit down on one little stone and smoke, come like a Jamaican there. And me go back there and smoke the weed, but I saw the weed that burn really fast, man. I say, oh, this is a weed that burn, so. When we are born the weed real quick and I go back in because the manager gone to come pick up some more girls to come back in. And next thing I go back downstairs and realize my foot them start to shake. It come like a dengue fever, me catch the ras and I wonder what happened to me. Next you know my heart start to stop. Me feel like me on fire. Motherfucker put angel dust in the weed when he sell to me. Nearly dead, me tell you. And then one carry me go to the hospital because then one the club closed down. Then carry me one hotel go park. Me say me nearly dead, me tell you. There's a lot of things you have to know how the streets run. A lot of these motherfuckers is no good. Let me tell you. I don't have no time I give no idiot girl no blood clot juice. I them fuck off and go. I don't want to talk about no idiot girl. I don't give them no fucking juice. I just run my thing, my youth. Because some people show done, you know. I'm going to look something for each hand. I'm not going to bother with it. I don't give them no juice.